Hey people! For today's motivation,
you have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
our conscious mind think it is in control, but it isn't. Our subconscious mind doesn't think a thing, but it is always in control. Unless we tame our mind, but you will ask how, and you will say no, because that is a very hard thing to do. See, on those words that comes out, you hear your subconscious mind controlling you again. If you let your mind pause, you will see the conscious mind will let you see the flow of the why, the how, the what, and etc. I know it is not easy. It takes years of practice. But once you feel the flow, the limiting subconscious mind will free up space and invite new awesome and fulfilling conscious ideas that we will love to have into our life. Mind. Tame it to control it.